Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the new releases for this week. We are not doing a wiggle this week. I did announce that on Instagram just because this week is a little bit of a bigger release. I'm anticipating a little bit of a big restock with that 24-hour unlimited stock that we do. Some of these are just like some of my favorite kits ever. So I am super excited to show you guys what is coming out this week. So I do have 2 monthly kits, 1 mini kit exclusive, and then three exclusive arts. I've actually only shown one of them so far on anywhere, so I'm really excited about that. Let's go over the foil releases first. So the first thing we have are 2 different scripts. So this one is the design script. I know a lot of people are waiting for this just for lots of different reasons, artists and all kinds of different things. Then there's also the family cuddles, which is super cute. I use this all the time. And then last but not least, I do have the Christmas movies. One thing I totally forgot to order, I had it already lettered, was a Hanukkah bucket list. So that is going to be coming probably in about a month or so. So if you guys were wondering, this one has the new logo on it. If you guys were wondering if I was doing one, I will be doing one. I had it lettered, but I totally forgot to put it on a mold. So this is a Christmas movie bucket list in our new scripts. These ones are a little bit bigger than most of our bucket lists, but they still fit in like a half box, and some of them fit in a quarter box, just kind of like normal. So really love these, and I just think they are so pretty and so cute. So that is all of the foil items for this week, and then let's get into the new releases. I'll go over the 2 monthly options first. So these are kits that are made for the Erin Condren monthly. For the old version, actually, the new version of the monthly, let me show you. So then, actually, I taped all of them together. I lied. So for the new version of the monthly, like the new Erin Condren, you just have to trim a little off the top of both of these. With probably the next, which will be like New Year's and winter themed monthlies, I probably will go ahead and edit these a little bit. I think I'm gonna make the dates a little bit smaller, maybe switch them out for our new font depending on how they look really small. Actually, I don't know about that because I feel like the smaller they get, because they're like kind of thin, but I'm gonna make the date smaller, and then I'll make these a little bit shorter just to accommodate the newer planner, just because the old planner won't have any months left. So this will be the last month that you'd have to trim any if you do have the newer planner. So this is kind of like a wizard inspired kit. This one is a kind of like at the burrow, which I thought was really cute, because we do have another one, like another magical Harry Potter inspired kit, but it's more like Christmas at Hogwarts. So I thought these would pair really nicely together if you are a fan of magic. So this is the first page here, and then you have the labels page with your classic Christmas colors, and then you have your full boxes, and then your full boxes that become a strip. So that is the first option here. So cute, and I love the colors. So that is the first option, and it does have the option if you want to add on the deco, or you have the option if you want to add on the functional sidebar there as well. So that is the monthly option there. And then this one has the old logo, but it doesn't matter to anything in the kit. But I just totally didn't realize until I did the other monthly to change it. But this one, I don't remember what I called this one, TBH. So it'll be up there on the new releases, but I don't remember what I called it. I think maybe like Christmas movies or something, or Cozy Christmas maybe. But I really loved the colors of this and the theme. It has a lot of different classic Christmas vibes with different Grinch things, like records. You have Elf movie, and Elf's my favorite movie. You have this page, which this is a little bit different of colors. It kind of reminds me of retro Christmas colors. And then you have the full boxes there as well. This is super, super cute. You do have the option to add on the deco sidebar, and there's also the option if you want to add on the functional sidebar as well. So that is the second monthly option for Christmas. I probably won't do any more. Like I said, the next ones that I'll do are going to be probably New Year's Eve / winter themed. I might actually do one using the October mystery art. If you guys didn't see that, October mystery art. I did do a reveal of that yesterday, and I posted that, so I might use that art for a winter kit. Let me know if you guys think I should do that down below. A winter monthly kit, and like I said, it will be slightly reformatted for the new planner. And then as far as New Year's Eve, I probably will do one option for a New Year's Eve kit, just because I know a lot of people like to use winter in January. And then we will have regular New Year's Eve kits collections. I think we'll have two exclusive art ones. Then we also have the Gatsby one, which I know a lot of people have already picked up to use for New Year's Eve. So this kit, this art just came out last night, so I went ahead and rushed to complete it. This is going to be a mini kit exclusive because, like I said, we do have a lot of releases already planned for this week, and this one is called Merry Main Street. Super, super cute Disney inspired kit. I love the colors. I went with the pastel option just because I thought it was different. Oops, hold on. Nicholas was a doll and brought me Chick-fil-A breakfast. If you're wondering, at Chick-fil-A, I get the chicken biscuit sandwich. So good with a little sriracha on top. My fave. Then I feel like the segues are always weird, but this is the colorway. I love this colorway. I just think it's so different, but very like festive at the same time, with the faux gold glitter throughout. Then on this page you have your deco and more functional items, and then last on your mini kit page you do have your bottom washi and your date covers and your extra full box. There is an option if you do want to add on the 15mm strip, of course. There is an option if you want to add on some Fashion Girls, which is such a cute fashion girl. I love the castle in the background. You also have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers with the faux gold sprinkled throughout, and then you also have the option if you want to add on the label sampler, which really helps extend the kit, and it is the little munchkin head freebie. So that is a mini kit exclusive, so it will not be available in an ultimate, only in a mini kit. So that is the first kit. So now that I showed you a mini kit, I'll only be showing the ultimates just for time purposes. But if you ever want to see what is in the mini kit, just feel free on the listing to check the second photo, because it's always on there for you guys, like all of the pages and stuff. So this is Akio Christmas. This is our custom art. It has the old logo in it just because it was produced quite a while ago. We were pretty far ahead on the Christmas times. So this is our kind of take on Christmas at Hogwarts. I love the colors of this, very different from the other kit because this one is very blue, which I think will be really cool for Christmas time, but I also think this would be really cool for January, which is whenever I plan on using it. I'm actually going to use this. I'm going to Disney with Jessica, and then on the last day we are going to be going to Universal, and I'm going to be using this for that. But I feel like it'd be really pretty, you know, in January if you take down your Christmas decorations then, maybe the week after New Year's, using this, just because I really think the colors are very January, but also just a cool non-traditional Christmas colored kit. Like I said, this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. This was produced a while ago, like I said, so it does have the old Munchkin freebie, Andrea Munchkin freebie. I love this so much. I just think it's so cute. I love the colors. It's just so rich and just pretty. And then you do have that faux gold sprinkled throughout. It's just everything, and I cannot wait to play with it. I feel like with some gold bougie boxes, this is going to look so fantastic. I am just obsessed with this kit. And again, I just feel like it's kind of nice whenever a lot of Christmas kits are very like traditional colored. It has something a little bit different. This is very like snowy vibes, which I really like. So that is the ultimate kit. And like I said, it does also come in a mini kit. We do unlimited stock for 24 hours right now. So if you're a mini kit user, I think this week is definitely going to be one to try and shop within that 24 hours, because I feel like this week's kits are pretty fire, if I do say so myself. So these are the add-on options for this kit. Next kit is also an exclusive art kit. All of the rest of these are in our older format because they were done quite a while ago. Actually, this concludes all of our custom art. So if you were waiting on seeing all of our custom art before purchasing your kit, this week will conclude our Christmas custom art. So this one is called Home for the Holidays, and I wanted to do something with buffalo check. Very modern, kind of neutrals with marble, so you can pull in that marble multicolor if you want. It does also come in a mini kit. So my inspiration behind the mood board for this was, if you guys remember baby cakes, I was like, I really want a Christmas baby cakes. And I thought that this kind of like really encompassed it and just kind of like a new twist on it. So let's go ahead and get into this bad boy here. So these, it has the Andrea sampler because again, this was produced quite a while ago. I'm like obsessed with this kit. And again, the colors are they're pretty, I mean, they're more traditional, but they're very like modern with the black and then the light gray, more baking elements over here. This is actually the format that doesn't have the squared boxes. They're just the regular boxes. You have your little things page, your headers page, your deco page, and then your bottom washi, which I love. You guys know this year was my plaid bottom washi Christmas year. You do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. You do have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and then you do have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. There is also options for family boxes, so it does have a tall box and then 2 smaller boxes. So you have all 6 options as per usual. You have option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4, option 5, and then option 6 there. So those are all of the family options as per usual, all 6. But I really love this kit. I love the black and white vibes of it with still being very Christmassy and very trendy in that kind of like farmhouse chic type look. So that is Home for the Holidays, which I am totally vibing with. And again, exclusive art, you won't see it anywhere else. And last but not least, we have another exclusive art kit here, and this one is called Grinch Mess. Which one's the ultimate kit? This one. So this is Grinch Mess, and I'm so excited about this kit. I think everyone that I know is using this kit for Kirsten's birthday. So I don't remember if it was Emily or Kirsten who was like, Andre, you need to do a Grinch kit this year. And I was like, yeah, Grinch is cute, blah, blah, blah. But I was like, what if it was like a Grinch planner girl? Like she was the Grinch and she was a planner girl, and like this was her like setup, you know what I mean? So I kind of like ran with that, and then I was thinking that like if there is not a Grinch that I know, it is Kirsten. I love you so much, Kirsten. And I just thought that this was just like the epitome of Kirsten, so I kind of just was like, I want to use this for Kirsten's birthday. I just think it's super cute, and yeah, so really hyped on this, and I don't know, I just love it so much. So everyone I think that I know, including Kirsten, I think, which I feel like that's a high honor for Kirsten to use something that I was like, this is a great idea for her birthday, but I just think it's super cute, and I think it's very, very Kirsten. And again, it's just so cute, so cute. So you have the marble in there, like I said before. You can, oh, and it comes in a mini kit too. You can use your marble multicolor and pull that in as well. You have your double box. You have like a girl here, super cute, kind of like based on the Grinch. You have a dog, a bunch of planner stuff. It's just really funny stuff. Like if you like just pause and look at the plans she has, and then you have like love and peace with like a little X on it, a little post-it note that says ruin Christmas. You have like undo, which is just super cute. I just love everything about this kit, and I just think it's so fun and different, and I just wanted to do the Grinch but something like different, you know. So then you have the faux silver glitter throughout. I love these colors, the pink and the green. I am obsessed with these silver faux throughout it. This spread is gonna be so fire, like y'all don't even know. It's gonna be so cute with those pops of green throughout. You have your deco over here, and then you have your extra functional items, and then you have your bottom washi. The freebie for this, because I was using it for Kirsten's birthday, and I thought, you know, you could use it for a birthday, or you could use it for like a Christmas party. I did do both the mini and the ultimate have 2 extra full boxes, which I just feel like is also like a good value compared to like the Munchkin freebie. So figured why not. So you have extra full boxes. So this one has like birthday candles, a cup, and then a piece of cake with the colors, and then the little lights. And then this one has the Christmas tree with the balloons. So again, you can use it for a birthday maybe. There is family boxes, so that'd be really cute. And there's fashion too. There's lots of options here. Or you can use it for a Christmas party. I feel like both of those really work. Or if you just want to use the balloons just for like celebrating, or if you don't want to use these at all, or you want to save them, it is up to you. So let me go ahead and show you guys all of the add-on options. So you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. Like, how cute is this green with the pink? I die. Candice Jess, who did this art, is like, I told her this is like her peak, I think. No, actually, no. I don't know. I feel like every time she does a kit, I'm like, this is your peak, but then she does another one, and I'm like, oh my god. We have so many customs with her coming up that I'm just like living for, that you guys don't even know what's gonna like happen. So there those are add-on options, and then you have this, which is kind of like Cindy Lou Who based, kind of loosely. So this is like your fashion girl option. And then you do have family options as well. Of course, I couldn't not. I feel like Candice Jess kits, like I just need the family boxes. So you do have the tall option here, which is based on the Grinch, and then you have 2 kids here, which I just thought were super, super cute. And I love this little boy shirt. If I could find that for Ben, and I would totally have it. And again, I'm just so excited this week. I feel like I'm talking extra fast, so I'm so sorry, but like I am like so pumped to use this kit for Kirsten's birthday week, and it's just so Christmas and so pretty, and I mean hot pink and Christmas just really go together. So yeah, and also at Hobby Lobby, I don't know if you guys have a Hobby Lobby, they have a ton of Grinch stuff. So if you're super into the Grinch, Hobby Lobby has a bunch of stuff this year for the Grinch, which I thought was weird because the Grinch movie came out last year, the new one. So anyways, the same 6 options as per usual. So cute, it looks like Bubba. Literally looks like Bubba right now. Bubba's hair is getting a little darker. I'd say it's definitely like a dirty blonde. I feel like Reagan's hair is actually blonder than Bennett's right now, but I assume it's gonna be like Nick's hair color, which is like a light brown. So really excited about that. I feel like it's like Jessica's natural hair color is what Bennett's hair color is, so like a dirty blonde, but I'm still gonna use the blonde one until his hair turns brown. So that is the final kit for this week. I am so hyped about this week's releases. Also, I will not forget this week. I don't know what happened to me last week. I don't think I've ever forgotten a kit to like list one, but I totally blanked. It wasn't on my list that I usually write. Like after this video, I usually go ahead and pull out a piece of paper and literally write down everything, even though I have it in my notes, like my notes for work app. But I usually like hand write a list, but I totally forgot to put happy birthday on there. I think it's because it's really honestly like that kit has been done for like 100 years. But this week the happy birthday kit will be available too. So not only are we gonna have all of these collections, but that monochromatic happy birthday kit that y'all were like dying over, which I'm dying over too. It's just so universal and like neutral. So I totally get it. Will also be up this week. So you do have the Grinch Mess, which is a Grinch planner girl. You do have, what is this called? Home for the Holidays, which is very like modern. You have the buffalo check in there, baking kind of themed. Akio Christmas, which is our like magical wizarding inspired Harry Potter type Hogwarts Christmas kit. We do have the mini kit exclusive of Merry Main Street, which is super cute. And then you do have the 2 Christmas monthly options. Like I said, I probably won't do any more monthlies. I might do more kits depending on what art is released, but honestly I'm kind of ready to move on from Christmas, but I'll see what's available. I might do some mini kit exclusives depending on what art is released, but this is all of our custom collections that we have left. So that is what's going to be available this week. And then we also do have the Christmas movie scripts. Like I said, I will be doing Hanukkah ones with plenty of time for shipping. So if you're waiting for those, they are on the way. And then Design and Family Cuddle for the regular scripts. But I hope you guys liked this week's releases. I am so excited about this week, and I'm so excited for the kind of crazy changes that are going to be happening very, very soon. I talked about this a couple months ago that I had this idea of something that I wanted to do and kind of like change something that's never been changed before in our shop since I think I started. But I'm going to change something big, and I'm really excited for it. I think you guys are going to be as well. So I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.